me sick inna me head. Buckle again is a two spliff inna me head. Never turn a petty thief, see me daddy said. Hustle fi the cheddar, but no give me panny bread. So me have fi the yard road, me no live inna me bed. Mommy want dinner, so the chicken a fi dead. Every eagle trouble the pigeon and the meg. Me no see no Babylon that work with the natty dread. The king back inna the shop. You want with the money gone, everybody drop. I'm a drop, no inna Iraq.
What the deal? What the deal? What the deal? Jamaican disc jockey ZJ Wawa has been charged by federal authorities in the United States in relation to a lottery scam investigation in which he is alleged to be a part of a group scamming elderly residents in North Dakota and elsewhere. ZJ Wawa has been charged with conspiracy to commit mail and wire fraud as well as money laundering. Each of the counts carry a maximum prison term of 30 years. It is alleged that the police have been watching him for about 2 years. Wawa was given a trial date of September 15th.
Joint investigation that we carried out with our international counterparts for the past 2.5 years, which led to the arrest of Deon-ville O'Hara, OC DJ Wawa, and 25 other persons. Of the 26 individuals indicted, 16 of these persons are Jamaicans, 10 of whom were arrested in 2012 by the Lottery Scam Task Force.
And Detective Corporal Watson put an end to speculation about the reasons behind popular local disc jockey ZJ Wawa being detained in the United States.
O'Hara, OC DJ Wawa, who was returning to Jamaica from the United States in November of 2012, was intercepted by the custom enforcement team at the Sangster International Airport, and he was found with 105,000 United States dollars in his possession, which is allegedly proceeds of a lottery scam.
Chica girl, fuck a girl, scam a business. CJ Wawa, hammer business.
What the deal? DJ Khaled wants Bounty Killer and his protege Movada to make peace by making a song together as an indication that they have set aside their differences. Will it happen? Who knows?
Look into my eyes, tell me what you see. Can you feel my pain? Am I your enemy? You must have better way. Things are really bad. You only friend I know. This is gonna happen. Listen to my voice. This is not a trend. No, you still don't.
What the deal? Spice has gotten back together with her boyfriend, with whom she shares 2 children with. The DJ, who a few months ago called it quits, tells Music News that they have ironed out the issues.
We're back together. As everybody know, man and woman, you know, you're going to have your differences. We have 2 kids together, and so it's just natural that to communicate and have to, you know, man and woman single, we're going to have our differences, our regular, you know, but we have 2 kids, we're moving on as a family. We have to talk because of the kids, because we're responsible parents, so as anybody will know, we have to communicate. And, you know, one thing leads to another, that's something there and that's something there. And so we're just back together now.
What the deal? After years of legal battles which resulted in the loss of his travel documents, Ninja Man, the dancehall veteran, had his passport returned recently and is now free to travel with permission from the court.
I feel good when you're wrapped up in my arms, dancing to a reggae song. Feel good, feel good. I feel good, 'cause your perfume isn't loud, and only I can talk about. Feel good, feel good.
What the deal? Aidonia's camp is responding following heavy criticism on social media, blasting the DJ for wearing a skirt. According to the DJ's publicist, Aidonia did not wear a skirt, describing the skirt-like clothing as a long marina.
First of all, what you're seeing on Twitter is not a skirt. For the people who know fashion sense, you'll see that Aidonia wore a blazer with a long marina, leather marina underneath it, and a blue pants. That's what you're seeing on Twitter. Is somebody creating some form of mischief? I don't know if people want to go into Sumfest with a high, because actually,
you wore that outfit last year at Sumfest. So if you go on Sumfest page, you'll see it. If you go on my Twitter page at Press KPR, you'll see that outfit that you wore from last year. So I don't know why somebody's going to rehash something that was worn last year. So I don't really understand. People who don't have any fashion sense, they're going to want to say otherwise.
What the deal? There has been much speculation about who will close Jamaica's biggest summer music festival. According to the promoter, Mr. Johnny Guzong, Octane will be closing the show. Upon last week, Octane stated that he will not be closing the show this year, passing on the baton to Mr. Vegas, who much criticized his performance on social media after he closed the show last year.
Octane will be closing Dancehall Night. Absolutely, definitely will be closing Dancehall Night. But everybody needs to come to the Dancehall Night to see for themselves. You know, he did a great job last year, and, you know, he's planning to do an even better one this year. You know, he's an electrifying performer, and, you know, we know what to expect of him. There are several other dancehall performers, artists who are perhaps capable of doing it, but Octane is the person that will be doing it, and he's more than capable.
What the deal? A photograph circulating on the internet shows a young man with his face buried in Macka Diamond's chest is now a new controversy. It is not certain if the picture, which is rated R, is part of Macka Diamond's promotional campaign following the video shoot of her single Karma in Long Island, New York.
You can keep me warm, me not have no doubt. Na, 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 na. So baby, come funk me out. Na, 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 na. You can keep me warm, me not have no doubt. So baby, come love me now. Outside of you. You can keep me warm, me not have no doubt. Na, 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 na. So baby, come love me now. Na, 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 na. Are you alone? So sometimes I come up with phone right now. You must just stay outside now. Love me now. Na, 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 na. I'm gonna the alcohol with it under.
What the deal? People, make sure you check out islandvibes.com for the latest music, news, and mixtape. It is very easy to sign up, so come and join the community. What the deal? What the deal? What the deal?
Picture this, breast specialist. Have you two nipple them in a me and them a turn and twist. Come on, swing from a team like whiz. Girl, you know.
Picture this, gynecologist. I examine and I give a proper mixed diagnosis. In a me private practice. Girl, you know.
Titty fit, pussy no sick.
Baby, you never get sucking a dick.
You no get body wash, that a dirty a bit.